Hi friends, this video shows how to open and close Philips Air Fryer NA231. See, this air fryer has touch panel. It is 1700 watts 6.2 liter air fryer. Just grab the front handle. With a smooth pull, the basket slides right out of the main unit. No buttons, just a simple pull, that's all. Next I will show you how we can close it. Lines the basket back with the rails and gently pushes it back in until it clicks into place. Opening and closing this Philips air fryer is quick, easy and totally beginner friendly. See, this basket is non-stick, perfect for fries, chicken or your favorite snacks. Don't forget to hit the like button if this helped you out and subscribe for more kitchen tips and product demos.